Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then by default, you will be on this overview section. So over here, you will need to tap on Spot in the top. This way, you will be able to see all of the coins or cryptos that you have in your Binance account. Now, among these coins and cryptos, you will have to tap on USDT, and once you are on the spot balance page of USDT, you need to tap on the withdrawal button in the bottom. Once done, it will show you two different options. To withdraw your USDT, you can select the first option if you are sending your money from Binance to any other wallet, but as you want to send our USDT from Binance to Binance, you will have to select the second option. This way, you can send your USDT to any other user via their email, address, phone, or ID. After selecting the second option, you will be landed on this page where in the send mode, you need to select the mode that you want to use to send your USDT from Binance. You can choose among email, phone number, ID, etc. So if you tap on this option, you will have to select the option that's given over here. So let's say I want to choose email. After that, you will have to provide the Binance account email. So you will have to basically provide the email address of the other Binance user. In this section afterwards, you need to provide the withdrawal amount. So in this section, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to send to another Binance user afterwards. In the note section, you can add any note to the recipient. Once done, you will have to press the sign button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this way you'll be able to easily send your USDT from Binance to Binance. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.